Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to make something that you're going to love me for. It is the easiest, the most simple, and the most delicious, I might add, pumpkin pie recipe. It's going to be super fast. We're going to be using canned ingredients. I know what it's like sometimes we get inundated. We got the turkey in the oven, we've got the cranberry sauce being made, and we've got nowhere to make that pumpkin pie. But don't worry, I've got an answer for you right here on my channel. Stay tuned for the best and easiest pumpkin pie you're ever gonna make.
Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen.
First thing we're going to need to do is set our temperature to 425 degrees. Then we're going to take 2 eggs and we're going to crack them and place them into a large bowl, trying not to leave any of your shell in with your scrambled eggs. And we're going to go ahead and scramble these up. Scramble, 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 stir, stir, stir. Perfect. Now we're going to add our pumpkin puree. Please make sure to get the one without the seasoning. We're going to be adding in our own spices to perfect the way we want this to taste. But we do want to make sure to get all that pumpkin out of that can, so let's make sure to do so. And then we're going to stir the egg and pumpkin puree together. Just like that. Nice. Now we're going to add in some cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and salt. And then we're going to go ahead and mix that together until it is nicely incorporated. Next up, we're going to add some evaporated milk, exactly 1 cup, not a full can, just a cup. Slowly incorporate that in as we stir. And while we're stirring, please don't forget to hit that like button if you like what we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe. It helps our channel a lot and costs you absolutely nothing. Lets you know every time a new video comes out. All right, now we're going ahead and adding in our condensed milk. Oh, this is going to sweeten everything up. This is why you don't have to add any sugar. It's going to be perfect. Make sure to get everything out of that can. It's 1 full can's worth. We're going to go ahead and mix the rest of that in. All right, now, last secret ingredient. Just a splash of vanilla extract or imitation vanilla gives your pie that flavor. We're going to go ahead and pour that into a graham cracker crust. Again, we're trying to make this super easy. We don't have time to go out and make our crust. We got to get this ready for the family. We're going to get all these bubbles off the top. Plop, plop, plop. Perfect. And we're going to add this into the oven at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. See? 15 minutes. 15 minutes is up. We're going to reduce our temperature down to 350 degrees. And we're going to let that go for about 30 minutes. And we're going to see where we're at. 30 minutes have passed. Now we have to see, is our pie done? Okay, very simple. We just take a knife, slide it into the top. If it comes out with a bunch of stuff on it, it's not ready. Put it in for 10 more minutes. Beautiful. 10 minutes have passed. Our pie is looking nice and firm. Let's go ahead and take this out of the oven and give it the knife test again. Make sure to close this bad boy up and in. Ah, perfect. Look at that, guys. Your knife comes out nice and clean like this. You know you've done a good job. And that is it. Put it on a nice wire rack to cool. After about 2 hours, you can put it in the refrigerator. It should last 2 to 3 days, and it'll be perfect for your Thanksgiving, Christmas, or just a nice pumpkin pie snack.
Thank you for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to hit that like button if you did. And don't forget to subscribe. It lets you know every time we release a new video. It costs you absolutely nothing, and it helps our channel a lot. Also, I'd like to thank all of you who have been sharing our recipes with your friends and family. I really hope this is helping you guys out as much as I love doing it. Happy holidays and see you next week.